Hey you guys, today's video is going to be a mini hair tutorial. I'm going to quickly show you guys how to refresh your curls after they start to get a bit frizzy. My hair has been in this twist out for a couple days now, and here is a up close shot of where my hair has started to get frizzy. I'm going to start by pulling apart the frizzy pieces. I'm going to wet the strand down with water and smooth it with my finger. Add as much water as you need. I want my hair to still be stretched, so I'm making sure that I focus the water on the ends of my hair and avoiding my roots. After smoothing the section, I'm going to go in with my Styler gel, and I'm going to take less than a dime size amount down the ends of my hair, and I'm going to coil it with my finger. After doing that step, you can scrunch your hair as you see in this clip right here. After that, you definitely can continue to manipulate the curl until you get your desired results. Here's what your curls will look like once they're done, and here's a up close shot. Continue to do those steps throughout your entire head, and your curls will be refreshed in no time. I use this process when I'm in a hurry and I don't want to have to do my entire wash and go or twist out all over again. This will save you so much time and effort, and it'll help you preserve your coily and curly styles so much longer. Your entire head, you want to air dry your hair, and you don't want to manipulate it too much because the point was to get rid of the frizz. You can also sit under a dryer if you like, but air drying is totally fine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you tried this method, be sure to let me know down in the comment section exactly how it turned out. As always, be sure to like and subscribe. Also, hit the bell down below to know when I upload a new video.